In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Drive in 2025. This is a full tutorial and we'll be walking through each step to make sure you can seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools. Whether you're using Notion to organize your projects or Google Drive to store your files, integrating the two can maximize your productivity and keep everything accessible in one place. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Todoist application. You can do this by typing https://todoist.com app into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, as this is where all the magic begins. Once the page loads, you should see a familiar dashboard. Look towards the top left corner of the screen where you'll find your profile name. Go ahead and click on your name. This action allows you to access personal settings and options related to your account, which is crucial for what we're going to do next. With the drop down open, find and select the settings option. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your account settings. You'll find several options here, but for our purposes, we're going to be focusing on just a few. From the settings menu, look for the connections tab and click on it. This is where you can manage various third-party integrations that enhance the functionality of your account. It's a bit like opening a door to connect all your favorite apps, and today's focus is linking Google Drive with Notion. Next, you'll see the workspace section. Click on this to proceed. Workspaces are essentially different environments or projects you're working on, and connecting them properly is important. Each step takes us closer to a more efficient workflow, so let's continue. Now look for the Google Drive option. It should be listed among other possible integrations. Click on Google Drive to start the setup process. You're just a couple of steps away from successfully linking these platforms. It's important to note that you need to have the appropriate plan to establish this connection. Some integrations are only available with certain subscription levels. If you don't have the correct plan, you might need to upgrade to access the full suite of integrations, including Google Drive, and there you have it. Once you've clicked through and ensured your plan supports this connection, you'll successfully integrate Notion with Google Drive. This process will enable seamless document access and sharing right from your Notion workspace. Remember, integrating these tools allows you to streamline your workflows and keep everything at your fingertips, making your productivity soar. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to connect Notion to Google Drive. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and let us know in the comments below if there are other integrations you'd like us to cover. Happy organizing and see you next time.